Hey there everyone, Bob Deeks with RDC Fine Homes. I am outside of our completed net zero renovation. Just getting ready, clients moving in tomorrow, and it has been a while since I have made it by here to give everyone a bit of an update on where we're at. So I thought whip by here on Sunday night. Beautiful sunset after Snowmageddon on the weekend, and I'm just going to do a really quick tour and some shout outs for all the fantastic work that the team has done. So let's go on inside and see what the finished product looks like. The great reveal. Here we go. We're in the front hall, stairs leading up to the kitchen, living room, dining room. Lovely front entry. We go down the hall. We have some bedrooms, one here on the right, and we have the mudroom, all the built-in cabinetry here. Beautiful work done by Living Edge Designs. That, of course, is the door to the garage. We have a bunk room right here, and then we have a kitchenette. This space in here with the bunk room and the kitchenette is a lock-off suite. We've got a sliding door right here. Pan back. There we go. So we can create a bit of a mini lock-off suite. Let's quickly go upstairs and we'll have a look at what the finishing touches look like up here. Of course, these are the stairs that we've showcased on a number of our videos. Wood flooring done by Genesis Hardwood. Fantastic job. Whole house has this lovely wide plank oak. We've got the stairs fabricated by our friend Bob the welder and his team with the glass by Panera Glass. We have our movie room in here, theater room. Lovely 80-inch flat screen TV. And then, of course, here we go into the kitchen, living room, dining room. We've got this fabulous ceiling that was fabricated down in Squamish. And our huge sliding glass door by Fenster finally arrived and is installed. Looks fantastic, everything everybody hoped it would be. We have this fantastic kitchen, all this handcrafted millwork done by Living Edge Designs, Mark Sutherland and his team in Squamish. Let's go on upstairs and we'll have a quick look at the master bedroom. Let's go up this fantastic set of stairs and we will go and have a look at the master bedroom suite. Stairs have worked out incredibly well. Of course, as I said, Bob the welder and his team, Sea to Sky Welding, and treads and flooring by Genesis Hardwood. Here we go up into the master bedroom suite on the top floor. We have a beautiful master bedroom bathroom, this soaker tub with a stunning view, if we could see it, out towards Whistler Mountain. Of course, more cabinetry by Living Edge Design. And then into the master bedroom here. Everything finished and waiting for our clients to show up for Christmas. So thanks to everyone who's followed along on this fabulous journey for this net zero reno. If you really liked what you've seen so far, please make sure to follow us along on our YouTube or Instagram or Facebook. Thanks for watching.